So, Tyra, have you had a good time on holiday?
No, can I get some poo?
Are you telling me lies?
No, but I'm telling you porcupines!
You're telling me porcupines?
No, but I'm telling you lies!
What about, have you had some Coca-Cola?
Of course not.
Have you been drinking Coca-Cola?
No, but I've been drinking some beer.
You've been drinking beer?
Yes.
Can you
Oh, and now for my speech.
But Tyra, can you make your head fall off?
No.
And you do the trick where you make your head fall off?
That's the next one.
That's the next one. I can make my head fall off.
We have to start
I can make
again.
my head fall off.
Daddy, that's on a different show.
No, we can do it on this show. It doesn't matter.
does.
Okay.
Let's
so-
shut up.
Okay.
Start again.
No, we don't start again.
We have
We can carry on. Carry on then.
We have.
Okay, carry on. No, come here.
Delete.
It's nice to start again. So.
We have a... Yes.
Oh yes. So what are we doing now? She's starting again now. It's
Start
okay.
again. Are you
She's
starting again?
Yes, she's starting
Are you
again.
starting again?
Yes.
Let me look at that.